What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Dre, back with a new video. And look what just came into the mail. The Galaxy S7 Edge. This is my loaner phone from Samsung. Of course, they want me to return the Note 7. As you see, I still have here. Yes, indeed. Gorgeous. Will never get no iPhone. Never had one. Never will. So this is a Note 7, aka Blue Pleasure is what I call it. So yeah, they waiting on that. New Note 7s will be back in stock tomorrow. So that's a good thing. Let's get to it, man. Let's see what we got here. Here we sealed up. Oh shit. Bring out the special box opener. Wow! Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Make sure we don't draw no blood while we do it. Wow. There we have it. The gold version of the S7 Edge. I know what this shit is already. Y'all know what come in the box. But if you didn't know, I'm gonna show you. Of course, you get your SIM card. Got the books. SIM ejaculator. Yeah, y'all see that shit. Same thing that come in every one of these boxes you see. Every one. Got the charging dock, USB. Vietnam, huh? Of course, we got the original headset that always come with all of them. So we ain't gonna read none of this. Throw this shit back in the box. And here it is. Got your volume rockers on the left side. You got your SIM tray up top. Power button on the right. Camera on the back. Y'all know what it is already, man. Y'all seen this shit before. But if I put it up next to Blue Pleasure, yeah. So anyway, cut this shit short, man. I ain't trying to make this long, but the new Note 7 will be back in stock tomorrow, from what I was told by the rep. So that's a good thing. Till then, I'm gonna play with this S7 Edge. You feel me? So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. And y'all still sticking with the Note 7? Deuces.